Hello, I'm in a 2013 Subaru Impreza, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So first, you open the hood, and then you find your dipstick here, which while the engine's off, pull all the way out, and then wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel, and then stick it all the way back in, and pull it right back out. And at that point, if you can see it in that video here, there's two little dots. The dot on the left is like your full mark, and then the dot towards the right is your low. So really, if you're getting close to the tip of this dipstick, you'll need to add for sure. And yeah, ideally just get it as close to that dot on the left as you can. But that said, if you're low, stick this all the way back in. And then right over here, you would unscrew this cap to add your new oil. Double check you're using the proper type of oil, and ideally the same brand and manufacturer of oil that you've been using. Best not to mix and match if you can help it. Same synthetic, conventional, etc. But you open this up, and then with a funnel and your jug or like your quart jug oil, just top off, and try not to overfill if you can help it as well, because that could cause issues. But once you've added your new oil, just screw this nice and tight, and then I would turn the engine on for about, say, 5 seconds or so, just to get the new oil to circulate, and then turn it off, and then repeat the same process we did in the beginning of pulling this dipstick out, wiping it clean, sticking it back in, and then checking the new level. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in place of your regular oil changes, which typically, depending on type of oil, vehicle age, motor age, things like that, usually between 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so. Which typically, to do that, you put the vehicle on a slight lift so you can get underneath of the oil pan. You pull the plug, drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw the plug back in, and then from here, add is the recommended oil for your particular motor. Screw this on nice and tight, and then again start the motor for like 5-6 seconds or so to circulate the new oil. And then, as we did in the beginning, again, double check your dipstick by wiping it clean and then checking to see if we're near that full mark. But I hope all this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.